Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to open the CS2 console. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. First you just have to simply go to your Steam and then launch your CS2 Go. And then what you want to do here is to wait for a couple of minutes as it is processing. So this is what it looks like. First you just have to go to your settings and then kindly go to game. Now you have to scroll down and look for enable developer console. So you have to enable this one. Of course, you have to tap yes. Now go back to your game. Okay, and then kindly press wave dash, and then you will see this console. As easy as that. And you can do whatever you want. Now, if this one doesn't show up, or if after you tap this wave dash symbol still it didn't show up the console, then what you want to do is to simply go to this UI keys and then look for toggle key, and actually you can choose from any of the symbols here. As long as it's easier for you to tap, then you can use it one. For me, I want to use this wave dash symbol, and then whenever I press this one, then it will take me directly to console. So that's how easy it is to open your console here in CS2. So I really hope this video helped you. So if you have found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and see you in our next tutorials.